Hi everyone, this is Garima and welcome back to my channel. So I am quite excited for this one because in this video I am going to apply falsies. Finally, I am going to make an attempt to apply falsies and see how the entire thing goes, because I have always been scared to do it and I have always had thoughts like कि यार पहली बात तो मुझ पे कैसे लगेंगे, प्लस मैं लगाऊंगी कैसे उसको. मैंने एक बार ट्राई भी किया था. द एंटायर थिंग टर्न आउट टू बी सो डिजास्ट्रस. उसके बाद आई हैड जस्ट गिवन अप द एंटायर थॉट ऑफ falsies forever. But today I have actually decided to go for it and see how it goes. So let's begin, let's get started. तो ये मैंने ऑर्डर किए थे. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड स्विस ब्यूटी 3D स्टूडियो इफेक्ट eyelashes and you can see this is what they look like. काफ़ी लंबे pretty eyelashes हैं, right? So I watched some tutorials also as to how to apply falsies and वहाँ पे जो मैंने देखा वो ये था कि पहले आपको ना इसको थोड़ा सा ट्रिम करना पड़ता है बिकॉज दे क्वाइट लॉन्ग, और अगर आप उसे अप्लाई करोगे तो इट माइट लुक अ लिटिल वियर्ड एंड अ लिटिल टू लॉन्ग विच इज़ अनयूजुअल. तो यू नीड टू लाइक ट्रिम दिस अ बेट एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस, जितना आप लेंथ चाहते हो, एंड देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई द eyelash glue. So this is the eyelash glue that I ordered. This is from Swiss Beauty. Again, this is called Swiss Beauty Pro eyelash glue and this looks like a liner. मुझे लगा कि मुझे कहीं गलती से लाइनर तो नहीं थी. I know that is a stupid thought, but that's what I thought when I looked at it. So I have taken this off और वो वहाँ पे ऐसे चिपका हुआ था. I seriously don't know how to go about it. So this is what it looks like and I just need to trim this a bit. तो चलो इसको थोड़ा सा trim करते हैं because they're quite long evidently. So I'll use this. So evidently it's not getting trimmed because मेरा scissor blunt निकला. It is blunt, it's not working and I was trimming it. मैं इसको कट करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. It is not working anymore. The weather has also changed. I think बारिश होने वाली है. Anyways, so I'll just adjust with this length और मैं eyelash glue लगा के अप्लाई करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. Let's do this. आज तो ये मुझे करना ही है. This is the eyelash glue and this is what it looks like. Let me show you. Why was I saying कि ये liner जैसा लग रहा है? So I'll apply a little bit of it over here and then I'll place it over my lash line. मज़ा आ रहा है यार ऐसे करने में. I'm having fun. That is the motto of this channel, to just have fun with whatever that you do. Just have fun and try and be happy. ऐसा लग रहा है ना मैं सरफेस को ऐसे पेंट कर रही हूँ इस पर. It doesn't smell so good. Like अजीब सी स्मेल है इसकी. It's not very pleasant. Okay, so I have applied it. So now is the ultimate showdown. Now is the time to okay, it's gonna be fine. Let me just do this. I have to do this. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. ये eyelash glue लग गया. It's black in color. मैंने black मंगा लिया. मुझे white मंगाना था. It's okay. ये you can see यहाँ पे मेरे को लग गया. ओके, सो आई ट्राइड अप्लाइंग इट बट आई फेल. मेरे से प्रॉपरली नहीं लग रहा है. इट्स लुकिंग डैम फनी एंड आई फेल्ड एट इट सक्सेसफुली. कोई नहीं, मैं दिखाती फिर भी लगा के हाउ आई ट्राइड अप्लाइंग इट एंड व्हाट हैपेंड. ऑलराइट, सो यू कैन सी आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट बट इट्स नॉट गेटिंग प्लेस्ड प्रॉपरली. अब हो गया थोड़ा सा. आई कांट डू दिस. नहीं हो रहा है. एंड इट्स लुकिंग फनी. दूसरी आँख पे तो मैं लगाने का सोच भी नहीं सकती हूँ. इतना हो ही गया तो ये भी सही. मैं लगा लेती हूँ इसको. ओह गॉड. ग्लू भी इधर उधर लग गया है. मैंने ब्लैक मंगा लिया. इतनी बेवकूफ़ हूँ मैं. Oh God, I can't take this. निकल ही गया. Okay, I'm taking this off. It's very uncomfortable to wear. Hats off to the girls who can do with these lashes, because I just can't. I just cannot do falsies, and it's clearly proven today. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, so I tried my best, but I couldn't place it properly. मुझसे हुआ ही नहीं, मुझसे लगा ही नहीं, मैंने पूरी कोशिश किया. I don't know what to do with it now. But I was just trying to have fun. This wasn't like a tutorial on falsies. It was just attempting to apply them, and I couldn't. I mean, I tried to, and this is the reason why I've always been like a little away and hostile towards this entire idea of applying false lashes. Because पहली बात तो वो मुझ पे अजीब लगता, अच्छा नहीं लगता. ठीक है, प्रॉपरली लगाऊँ तब भी लाइक मुझे ही अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I just don't like it. And okay, so the idea of this video was to just have fun. I don't intend to offend or to, you know, demean anyone or anything through this video. I think I had fun. Yeah, I clearly had fun, and I hope that this glue just comes off, because it's just not looking good at all. ऐसा लग रहा है कि liner smear हो गया है. anyways, so yeah, that is it for this video. That is all I had to do for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And for more such crazy, fun and stupid videos, you can subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you like the video, and share it if you want to, and hit that bell button too to be notified for future videos as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care, and stay tuned for more.